Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and if you're like me, I'm always looking to add a little bit of brightness to the backyard. And so these lights from KDORRKU are really perfect. They are a stone looking light on the top, but they're actually entirely made of plastic, and they're pretty wide. You can see in my hand. They're really easy to put together. They have stakes that you put in before you push them right down into your garden area or a pathway, wherever you can, that you can go ahead and just wedge them right into the ground. They're super bright at night. It was really unexpected. They're a lot brighter than I thought they would be, and I really like looking out into the backyard at night and just being able to just see that little bright cheeriness of the lighting in the back. They fit in perfectly with our backyard area where there's plenty of greenery, but just add that little bit of brightness that I was looking for. Lots of brightness that you'll get out of these, and that's my point of view.